This is Daniel Skellington's submission for feedback module assessment for Millie's flying fish. So as you can see here, this is just the physical demo. Not everything's put in yet. We still got this sensor sitting off to the side. Still gonna have to mount that one onto here eventually. This is just proof. We got our fan set up here, so normally we'd have the fish facing this way. As you can see here, the tail, if the motor was set up, can move to 15 or past 15, 90 degrees both way, and then back as well to plus 15. As you can see, it can move freely around its axis both ways. It's no problem there. On this side here, we got our Arduino Uno model, and on the other side, we got a battery pack, kind of just to weigh it out. This is a bit wonky here. That'll need a bit of design work. Hopefully, when I get this glued down, it's not just sitting there with some duct tape. As you can see, we got a servo motor here at the back. This will obviously just plug into these wires. They're color coded for a bit of ease. We got this battery pack. There's batteries in there. That's how we power it. And then we got my connection there that I can upload code into my laptop. The design choices I've made, we've just gone with some really lightweight materials. So this is just 3mm plywood and eucalyptus dowel here, just to make it as lightweight as possible, just so this servo motor doesn't get overloaded, and and just so the fish just blows a bit more in the wind, so it's a bit more obvious, because I don't know if the power of this fan here, I haven't actually tested it out yet. I'm not too sure how strong it's going to be, so the lighter this is, the better, and it's always much easier to make it heavy. If I just grab my phone here, you can see my angles here all set up to go, and just at the bottom there, it's just a bearing just held in by 2 bits of plywood there, just nice and easily. And then just the base is a nice hardwood base. I've just glued this little platform onto, just so it's nice and heavy there and the fish doesn't move around too much. But yeah, I'll have to just gonna double check I've covered everything. I'll just double show that this motor here, it's a bit wobbly at the minute, so I'll just I'll place this back on here just to show. Basically, yeah, so if we just tilt that board there just a little bit, as you can see here, we can move it all the way around to 90, back to 0, and then back around to 90 pretty comfortably. So when that all gets coded up, we'll be able to move it around nice and freely, and yeah, that's all I got.